Hi there, Jake here. I'm going to run through the Hanchu hybrid / AC units with you. We have three single phase units in this range, 3.6 which is the G98, a 5 kilowatt and a 6 kilowatt. All of those have 5 kilowatt charge and discharges except the 3.6, which the export is limited to 3.68 due to the G99. These will all work with a range of low voltage batteries, which we'll cover in a slightly different video. As I mentioned at the beginning, these can be used as hybrid only or AC only, or actually both. So if you're ever looking to add a new system where there's an existing system, it can actually incorporate all of that system in the charge, discharge, the monitoring, absolutely everything. The monitoring is simply amazing on these units, but again, I'll do something separate on that in a short moment. So, the units have integrated shade sol, which is an incredible technology. What that means is if you get some shading on one or two panels in the string, instead of the whole thing collapsing, it will actually compensate for that. It will retarget the MPPT and it will adjust the ampage and the voltage to basically allow all those unaffected panels to continue to work in the event of some shading. So it's a wonderful feature that even if they haven't got it now, you can tell your customers in 10 years if a big tree pops up that you weren't expecting, it's not going to completely deplete what's going on, and it may be seasonal shading or whatever, but a really lovely feature on that. All of these units come with 12-year manufacturer warranty, but on top of that, Infinity Innovations, we also manage an RMA scheme nationally for the product. So if it's diagnosed as being a hardware issue, which you can always check because everything is online so simply and so really lovely monitored, then we can actually get an independent organisation to contact the customer within 48 hours, arrange a time to go in, swap the hardware over, done and dusted. So you, as an installer, can get on with your day job. Should ever some hardware issues crop up, we get very, very few, but let's not pretend everything is perfect. These things can happen. That is the solution that Infinity offers, and there's no charge for doing that. It's something we do. Everything comes with everything in these boxes, so you actually have a grid CT option if you'd like to use a grid CT, or you have a meter option if there's space on the board and you'd like to fit a meter. You have every type of cable. You have the long cables, you have the short cables, you have everything you need for each installation, meaning that once you've done one installation, you've got spares of stuff starting to accumulate, and we all love spares in the box. It makes life easier when we misplace things or something along those lines. So these are IP65, so they're absolutely happy to go outside. Anything mounted outside should have a canopy, and we have bespoke canopies if you'd like us to provide one of the canopies for you. They're available to order alongside the unit. So yeah, unbelievably versatile. They're very small, as you can see, nice and lightweight, very easy to hang on the wall, very easy to work with. Integrated DC switch underneath makes life nice and easy as well. And absolutely everything is on it, monitoring provided, dongle provided, and we'll run through the monitoring at a later date. But I think I've covered most of the USPs on this. If I've forgotten one or two, we'll find a way to slip it in later, and we'll move on from here.